Let's see how to print document in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to print our finalized document, and we can do that by clicking on the File tab and click on Print. And as you can see, we can choose our printer. We can also change the settings when we want to print. So for example, we can choose the number or particular pages that we want to print, or we can also choose if we want to only print one side or print on both sides of the paper. We can also change the orientation of our document, as well as the paper size, as well as the margins. And that is how you can print in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.